Good morning, guys, or afternoon, whenever you're doing this. Um, we have a little game that we're going to play, and it's with vowel sounds. I'm going to say the vowel sound, and I want you to write it down either on a piece of paper, um, or if you have a whiteboard, you could do it on a whiteboard. So I'm going to wait just a second, give you time to get a piece of paper and a pencil or a crayon or dry erase marker, and then we'll get started. Let's see how well you remember our vowel sounds. So let's practice. What sound does letter A make? Ah. What about E? Ah. Good. What about I? I. Good. What about O? Ah. And U. Ah. Very good. Okay. Now, these are going to be mostly vowel sounds, but I might trick you and try to put in a consonant sound. Now remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, sometimes Y. And then our consonants are all the other letters in the alphabet. Okay, so let's start. You ready? Okay. Ah. Write it down. Ah. I. Ah. I. Ah. Eh. Ah. Eh. Ah. Ah. Eh. T. I. Good job. Let's see if I tricked you. I wrote them down too. So, see if you can see them. The first vowel sound was ah. You should have written A. Then ah, O, I. Say them with me. Ah, U, I, ah, O, eh, like eh, exercise. E, a, E, a, U, up, exercise. T. Yeah, I tried to trick you. T, I, and P. We spelled a word. Tip. Tip. Remember, now that we know all the letter sounds, when you're trying to figure out a word, say the first two sounds together. Blend them together. Tip. And then add those final sounds. Good work, guys. That was awesome. Now, we're also going to work on spelling some words. So I'm going to say a word, and I want you to spell it. Write it down, okay? So my first word is see. That's one of our sight words and a word we use a lot. See. How many sounds do you hear? S, E. Only two. So let's write S, S, E. And that's a long E sound, so it actually, we need to write two E's. C. Remember when two vowels are walking, the first one does the talking, it says its own name, and the second vowel sound is silent. And if you want to watch that video for when two vowels go walking, you can watch that on YouTube, not on my station, but on the regular YouTube station. All right, let's try another word. Feet. Feet. Yep, that's an F. E. So since it's a long E sound, we need to make two E's together again. Feet. And a T. Good work. There it is. Feet. All right, let's see how you do with this one. My next word is keep. Keep. K, E, P. Three sounds again. K, E. We need those two E's together. P, keep. Let's keep going. We're going to do one more word. Meet. Meet. Eat. Eat. Meat. Good job, guys. Really good job. All right. Now, let's play one of our games where we substitute sounds. So, I have the word shape. Ape. Sh is a digraph. Two letters that make one sound. Sh. A says its own name because we have the silent E. We don't hear that E. Shape. Now, what if we take the A out and put in the long E? What's my word now? Good. Sheep. Sheep. Very good. Okay, now let's try another word. What's this word? Yeah, this is because there's no silent E or two E's together, so it doesn't say its own name. Met. Now let's change the the short E sound, to a long E sound. So if I add another E, yeah, we just saw that word, meet. Good job. All right, let's try. Okay, let's look at this word before we try to sound it out. There's my silent E. So this letter is going to say its own name. Oak. Woke. Yeah, like I just woke up. But I didn't just wake up. Now we're going to change that long O to a long E sound. Eek. Week. Good work. All right. Good work, guys. Playing with words like this can be a lot of fun. Try to switch some vowel sounds around, or beginning consonant or ending consonant sounds, and see what kind of words you can come up with. Bye, guys.